I call you up in the middle of the night. Been bothered by dreams, ain't feeling alright. You give me comfort, say just give it some time. By the end of our talk.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Joby May.
Hello everyone, good morning. Today is 14th February 2020 guys, and I hope you are all having a good and happy Valentine's with your loved one. Yes, so guys, time check is 8:20 and at 8:10 someone rang the bell. Yes, and then when I went down, and then somebody delivered this. Ano kaya yun guys? Ano kaya yun? This one guys! Yes! Yes guys. So they delivered this beautiful flowers, roses, and another kind of flower with plants. Yes, and a note here. Yeah! I'm so happy guys. I'm over the moon. Wow. Over the moon though. Okay, so yun nga guys. This one guys is from my husband. Yes, this one is from my husband and my kids. Yes guys, so let's read. But because it's in Catalan guys. Yes, it's in Catalan. Oh, that's so sweet. My husband, Hailey and Lakota. My love, we love you so much. Joseph. Love, Joseph, Hailey and Lakota. I just translated it guys for you to understand. But in Catalan it says Amor meu t'estimem molt, Josep, and then with a heart. Yes guys, and Hailey says also t'estimo molt. Love, Hailey, Lakota, and Hailey put Lakota's name here, and then Lakota just wrote this one just like a signature. Yes guys, so thank you so much sweetheart for this beautiful present, and the kids of course, thank you. Yes guys, so I'm going to prepare Hailey's breakfast because I'm going to bring her to school. Yes, oh ang bango niya guys. This white one is mabango, and of course the roses too. With the love sorry. With love here. Oh, really so nice. I love it. Happy anniversary, my dear sweetheart, and I love you so much. I love our kids. Yes, and yeah, more years to spend with you. And thank you very much for being so nice, for being so loving, and a very good husband. Of course, you're the best husband in the world. Husband and daddy to our kids. You are such a great daddy. You are our hero daddy, so we love you so much. Yes. Yes guys, so we are celebrating the Valentine's Day. Yes guys, so we are going to open our presents. Yes.
Who's first?
Who's first? Yes. Yes, you can open
Lakotas.
Open.
Lakota!
Wow! Wow! What is that, Lakota?
I will.
¡Wow!
Wow!
¡Qué guapa! ¡Qué la Jota! ¡Mira!
Oh,
Wow.
Lakota!
¿Es pijama? No.
No, it's not pajama.
Ah, ¡Hola!
Yes, so
¡Qué
nice.
guapa!
She likes more the wrapper, I think.
¡Wow!
Wow!
¿Sí?
Okay, and Hailey, what about you, Hailey? Yes, Daddy, can you please take Lakota's food? It's in the microwave. Yes. Hailey is opening her present too. Wow, what is it? A watch. Oh my gosh. Really?
No, but
Maybe.
what kind of watch?
Yeah, I know. This one is to count the steps, right? The heart rate, isn't it? The heartbeat. Oh, so nice, Hailey. Fitbit.
And
That is.
he can count the time she's sleeping.
Ah,
How many
okay.
hours she sleep?
My mom.
Is that mine?
No, mom.
Ah,
You like it, should you?
it's nice. Wow,
Nah.
very nice,
It's not
Hailey.
working.
Why it's not working?
Battery.
Ah.
You need to be charged the whole night.
Okay, so keep it first, Hailey. Okay,
Wow,
keep it. Wow, Hailey, very nice present. Oh, Hailey has very
You
nice
like it?
present.
Yeah.
It
And mommy,
is blue.
mommy.
This blue. Let's put it here first, okay, Hailey?
Okay. Oh. What is that? I don't know. I don't know.
Wow. Do you like it? Do you like it? Yes? Cats, right? Very good. And see the other one. See the other one also, Hailey. That's from me, huh? This one is from Daddy and Lakota, and this one is from Mommy, huh? Yes, you didn't know, right? It's a surprise for you. Huh?
Thank you.
May I see this one? Show it to them.
Um,
Hold it properly. Yes, it's Minnie. It's Minnie Mice. Minnie Mice. Minnie Mouse. Yes, Hailey. Oh, and Daddy. Yes, really so nice. It's a sweatshirt, Hailey. And now Daddy.
mommy.
Daddy first. Daddy. Wait, Daddy. Oh. And Daddy.
Yes.
Because Daddy
Wow.
Daddy likes practical presents, guys.
So much.
He doesn't like perfume. He doesn't like
Wow.
bracelets. And he likes
Ooh.
books and practical things, guys. So
Wow.
yes. Oh, is it nice, Daddy? Do you like it?
Soft there. There's something.
Yeah.
Paper.
A paper? Oh, okay. Oh,
Wow.
wow. Is it comfortable? Comfortable, Daddy?
And the
Yeah?
and the back. And the back. The back.
Yeah, it's okay. If Daddy travels, yes. If Daddy travels, then he can,
I will bring the other ones.
yeah. Just in case you forget and you're not so sorry if you bring the old one. Taran! It's a practical present.
Wow! I love it.
Yes,
Pajamas,
Daddy. Pajamas.
Wow.
Pajamas,
I love
yes.
it. I love it.
Yes, open it and it's nice. This one, look.
So practical.
At the bottom of this one is like that. Huh? It's easier. In that way, no need, you won't step on it. Right?
Very, very good. Thank you
Yes?
so much. I like it so much.
Oh.
Maybe I will use tonight. It has to be washed first.
Yes. No, we have to wash it first. Yes.
Thank you, Siti.
Oh.
Wow.
And Laputa is eating. Okay, and now, mommy.
Wow.
And it's also a watch, maybe. Daddy.
Yes, but you have to open, no? I hope you like it, huh?
I hope so, Daddy.
Chit.
Oh! Oh, wow! It's a watch, guys. Smart.
You can connect the mobile with this.
Oh!
Huh? You have to download the application in the mobile.
Oh, so nice.
It's not Apple, but it's the same style.
Yes, yes.
So you can see if someone send. No, wait. See, no pasa. But you have to charge it, okay, tonight, the whole night. If we have problems to install the application or to connect the mobile with this by Bluetooth, okay, we can go to Sylvia,
She will help us.
the son.
It's so nice. It's pink. Oh, I love it. It's very light. It's very
Yes.
light.
Yes.
Yes. Oh, thank you so much, guys.
Welcome.
Thank you so much, Daddy. Hey, Lakota. Oy, Lakota is eating.
Take care with this, huh? Take care.
Huh?
Okay, very good.
Thank you so much, Daddy.
Welcome, mommy.
Yeah, so let's eat.
Let's eat, Papa.
Oh, thank you so much. Let's keep first. Let's keep everything and then let's eat, okay?
The paper.
So, aside from the flowers that my husband surprised me this morning and this present, Daddy, thank you so much, Daddy.
Moment.
Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and turn on also guys the notification bell so you won't miss any video of me. Hope to see you again guys with a brand new video. Bye!